Welcome, fellow outdoor enthusiasts, to our channel. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey into the world of hiking and outdoor activities gears. Whether you're a seasoned hiker seeking to upgrade your equipment or a nature lover eager to embrace the wilderness, you've come to the right place. We'll be your guides, shedding light on some of the most essential and cutting-edge gear that'll make your outdoor adventures unforgettable. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, let's jump in. Wise Owl Outfitters. When it comes to hiking adventures, a good night's sleep is essential for recharging yourself properly and getting ready for another exciting day on the trail. That's where Wise Owl Outfitters comes in, offering a versatile and comfortable travel pillow designed specifically for hikers like you. Made with high-quality polyester, this travel pillow is the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. Whether you're resting in a cozy hammock, sleeping in a tent under the stars, this pillow ensures that you get the sleep you deserve. This travel pillow features a cushioned memory foam core wrapped in a soft micro suede cover. This thoughtful design provides optimal support for your head and neck, cradling you in comfort throughout the night. No more waking up with a stiff neck or feeling restless. With this pillow, you can enjoy a restful sleep experience, ready to take on the challenges of the trail each morning. Outdoor Vitals CS40 Ultra. When it comes to hiking gears, a reliable, durable and lightweight backpack is an absolute must. That's where the Outdoor Vitals CS40 Ultra comes in. Designed with the hiking enthusiasts in mind, this backpack offers a perfect balance between weight reduction and durability, making it an essential companion for your outdoor adventures. Through extensive testing and innovation, the CS40 Ultra backpack has been crafted to meet the needs of ultralight backpackers. Its standout feature is the proprietary 2-ounce carbon fiber frame, which provides crucial vertical support. This ingenious design alleviates shoulder strength while allowing for lateral flexibility, ensuring that you can move with ease and comfort on the trail. But it's not just about the frame. The CS40 Ultra is constructed using ultraweave fabric, renowned for its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. In fact, this backpack is twice as sturdy as Dyneema composite fabric, making it a reliable companion that can withstand the rigors of the trail. The carefully designed curved structure prevents sagging and ensures optimal weight distribution, so you can maintain balance and stability even with a loaded pack. Rugged and resilient, the CS40 Ultra backpack is built to handle any adventure you throw its way. Adventure Medical Kits Nano Heat. Next on our list is the Adventure Medical Kits Nano Heat. A compact and versatile blanket designed to provide warmth, comfort and coziness wherever your adventure takes you. Whether you're backpacking through the wilderness, camping under the starry night sky, or simply on the go, the Nano Heat blanket is a reliable companion. Its soft and plush fabric wraps you in comfort, ensuring that you can relax and recharge after a long day on the trail. What sets the Nano Heat blanket special is its 80% heat reflective coating on one side. This innovative design allows the blanket to effectively retain your body heat, keeping you warm even in cold weather conditions. As the blanket reflects your own heat back to you, you can experience optimal insulation and maintain a comfortable temperature throughout your outdoor journey. Not only does the Nano Heat blanket excel at heat retention, but it also boasts other impressive features. Its water-resistant and windproof properties ensure that you stay dry and protected from the elements. The durable construction, coupled with a water-repellent finish, guarantees that the blanket can withstand the rigors of outdoor activities, providing you with long-lasting performance. In spite of its exceptional performance, the Nano Heat blanket remains remarkably compact. It can be easily folded and stored in the palm of your hand, taking up minimal space in your backpack. Weighing only 6.8 ounces, this ultra-lightweight blanket won't add unnecessary weight to your load, making it a practical and convenient choice for hikers. Lowa Carezza GTX. Carezza GTX is a remarkable hiking shoe designed by Lowa Boots USA. Perfect for fast and light technical hikes and approaches with a light pack. This shoe boasts a synthetic jacquard upper construction, offering a combination of lightness, strength, and high performance. With its toe, The toe lacing and two top eyelets. The Carezza GTX provides a precise fit, allowing you to customize the shoe to your specific preferences. Designed for durability and protection, the shoe features a protective rubber toe wrap, ensuring your feet are shielded from rocks and debris along the trail. The soft yet supportive midsole offers a comfortable cushioning experience, reducing the impact of each step, while the ultra-grippy rubber outsole ensures reliable traction on various surfaces. No matter the terrain, they have you covered. Crafted in Germany, this hiking shoe is built to the highest standards, combining quality materials with expert craftsmanship. Weighing just 16 ounces per shoe, the Carezza GTX remains lightweight and agile, enabling you to move swiftly and confidently on the trail. Its varying degrees of flexibility have been carefully engineered to adapt to different hiking styles and terrains, ensuring optimal performance where it matters most. Spax Vertice Rain Pants. Next up we have the Spax Vertice Rain Pants. An exceptional pair of rain pants that keep you protected and comfortable in the face of changing weather conditions. The Spax Vertice Rain Pants are designed with a 3-layer construction. Combining multiple elements to provide outstanding performance, they feature a moisture-wicking tri-kit lining that helps keep you dry by pulling moisture away from your skin. The waterproof vapor-permeable membrane ensures that rainwater stays out, keeping you dry and comfortable from the inside out. With this pair of pants, never let unexpected rain showers dampen your hiking experience. GoSun Flatwear. There's nothing quite as rewarding as enjoying a delicious meal after a long day of hiking, and now with the GoSun Flatwear you can elevate your dining experience while reducing your environmental footprint. Say goodbye to one-time use of plastic utensils that harm the environment, and welcome this simple yet brilliant set of reusable utensils. The GoSun Flatwear is designed specifically for hikers like you, allowing you to carry a handy set of utensils right in your pocket. Made from durable and reusable stainless steel, these utensils are built to withstand the rigors of outdoor activities and challenges. Whether you're digging into a hearty meal or enjoying a quick snack, the GoSun Flatwear will be there to accompany you bite after bite. The best part about GoSun Flatwear is cleaning them. Sealaning them is easy and smooth as a breeze. Simply wipe them clean after use, and they're ready to go for your next meal. By using the GoSun Flatwear, you actively contribute to reducing the usage of one-time use plastic utensils, helping to protect and preserve our precious Mother Nature. MSR Trail Shot. Just like having proper meals, staying hydrated is essential for maintaining your energy and enjoying your hiking adventure to the fullest. Carrying enough water can be a burden, but with the MSR Trail Shot you can enjoy fresh drinking water wherever your journey takes you. This pocket-sized water filter is the perfect solution for hikers who want to lighten their load. Without compromising on hydration, no need to carry extra bulk of water on your backpacking trip anymore. With the MSR Trail Shot you can confidently rely on natural water sources while ensuring your safety. The MSR Trail Shot filter utilizes a highly effective hollow fiber filtration method. This reliable filtration system is designed to eliminate a wide range of waterborne creatures, including bacteria, protozoa, and other harmful viruses. So, you can drink directly from streams, rivers, or even questionable water sources with peace of mind and without thinking about health issues. The compact size of the MSR Trail Shot means it easily fits into your pocket or attaches conveniently to your backpack. It's always within reach whenever you need a refill, making it a practical and efficient solution for staying hydrated on the go. Simply dip the filter into the water source, squeeze the handle, and let the Trail Shot do its magic. Clean filtered water will flow into your bottle or mouth, ready to quench your thirst. As we conclude this adventure through the world of hiking and outdoor activities gears, we hope you found our insights valuable and inspiring. Remember, the right gear can elevate your outdoor experience to new heights, making every trek and expedition more enjoyable and safe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, as we bring you the latest and greatest in outdoor gear technology.